Hi folks, right, UK, I went to change the battery in my 2020 Sprinter, which is a 910, that is a front wheel drive. Same as a 907 really, except the rear wheel drive. And I thought, oh, battery will be simple, no problem, the same as my last Sprinter, an old 906. A couple of Torx screws takes away the corner of the mat at the door on the passenger side. The mat peels back, you get the big black lid there, a couple of Torx screws, that comes off. Always undo your earth first. Must be your earth first. That way, if you touch, anything metallic in the live side, there's nothing to connect it. There's no circuit. So, ultra important. Earth first. That is the negative. Anyway, I come across this big black cover. I thought, what on earth am I going to do with that? I loosened off the connector on the positive side, which you can just see there, and it was looser, but it wasn't coming up the way. You also undo two 10mm screws down the side in here. You see the two 10mm screws? And that handle actually lifts the whole thing up. It's quite a clever design. Dead easy. The breather's on that side of the battery as well. Undo the breather and that goes onto your new battery, which is the one I've just installed. I've just put in there and I've bolted it back down. So I'm sorry this video's in reverse. But I thought, oh, this big black cover's a pain. I'll look on YouTube on the internet and I couldn't find a single thing relating to it because they were all American, and every single one of them, the battery is north-south. That is going that way, not that way. So, that gave me a problem, and they don't have the big black cover on with all these cables, etc. sticking off. Don't fret about the big black cover, it's actually not that complicated. You have to wiggle some wires out of the way, but what it really has are these black clips. You see, they just go down the side of the battery. They're a pain in the arse. I don't know who designed them, but there's two big black clips there. Those clip on that side of the battery, so towards the front of the van. Fold down the handles, back into their position they'll be in the rest of the time, and wiggle the black cover back in so that the live side is going to head over the live connector. You see that there? I've just got to wiggle that in, bear with me. Now it's wiggled back in. We're back on there. There's a 10mm screw to be tightened, a 10mm bolt, that one there. So forget all the rest of the stuff, it's of no real relevance. It doesn't bother anything. And the two clips at this side at the front, over the battery, just clip on with a distinctive click. I couldn't show it, I've not got enough hands. I could do with being an octopus at times. However, so the big black plastic cover with all the wires on it isn't a worry, but it was certainly strange and I couldn't find anything relating to it. So now rebuilding is a reversal of the strip down process, except you swear in different places. So here we are. I hope that helps some people. I've just really that nut to tighten up, the other side to put back on, realign the wires, because they're a bit out of place, stick the metal cover back on, mat back down and screw on the edge at the passenger side step. I hope this helps somebody. It would have helped me a lot an hour ago.